Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal sensor related question asked in GATE 2005 easy paper. The question is the ROC of the region of convergence of the transform of the sequence. What they have given, x of n is equal to 5 by 6 whole power n rho of n and minus 6 by 5 whole power n u of minus n minus 1. So we have to find. So we know that a n u of n is equal to, or the transform, z by z minus a with ROC mod z is greater than mod a, or minus a n u of minus n minus 1, z transform is z by z minus a with mod z is less than a. So what we are going to do for that, ROC is mod z is greater than, here a is 5 by 6, right? For this, compared to this, ROC is mod z is less than 6 by 5. So combined ROC is mod z must be greater than 5 by 6 and less than 6 by 5. This is our ROC. Let us see. Greater than 5 by 6, less than 6 by 5. So option C is the right answer. Thank you.